Exit na siguro tayo.
Sige na, tara
Ako
na.
nagpagawa talaga ako ng ilong.
Oh, really?
Oo.
Parang medyo sira.
Ay, alin.
Eto na nga ang chika.
Ganda ba?
Kasi na ba? Yung mo nininig ka. Ito ang chika. Yung chika sa'yo. Basta. After 2 years, nagbabalik na ulit ang...
Basta freelancing!
Ayan, so after 2 years, nagkita-kita ulit kami. Hindi, nagkikita-kita naman kami. Pero bago tayo mahuli ang lahat, hayaan nyo muna magpakilala kami. Again, my name is AJ, isa sa nautal, parang tanga. Isa sa mga pinakakutat-perang host ng Basta Freelancing.
At ako naman si Ambo, ang very, very fresh na member ng Basta Freelancing.
I love it!
Para hindi na natin memorize, kaya nag-iba
Oo
na
nga,
lang.
nag-iba na yung mga intros natin. 2 years pa mo naman.
So, ako naman si Jace. Ito, pinaka-demure sa lahat.
Ayan.
Gusto mo papapayag ba sila doon? Parang hindi.
Exit na siguro
Oo.
tayo.
Sige na, tara na. Sayang. After 2 years, magsisiraan
Oo,
na.
no.
Well, anyway, nakakatuwa na naisip ulit natin balikan ng pagpo-podcast.
Yes.
Para wala
Welcome back to
kalimutan
us. Naalala niyo pa ba kami?
Masyadong naulol sa client,
Yes.
masyadong na in love. Hindi. Siyempre sa episode na to, ibang season na to, di ba? It is season of
Yes.
blooming, right? So we will discuss what happened in the past 2 years sa aming tatlo. Kung meron bang Hindi,
May
charot.
nagpagawa?
May nagpagawa?
Hindi.
Ng bahay.
Ng
Sister.
bahay.
Ay, akala ko ng ilong. Kasi ako nagpagawa talaga ako ng ilong.
Oh, really?
Oo.
Parang medyo sira.
Ay, alin nagmasira ng ilong, ganon.
Cancel ka na. But anyway, simulan natin maybe sa'yo, Ambo. Oo.
Hala. Sige, so we want to also update you guys kung ano yung mga nangyari sa amin within the 2 years span na hindi kami active
I know.
sa podcast.
Na para ba nawala
So para
yung
ma-update namin kayo kung ano na ba nangyari sa amin. So, sa akin naman, magsa-start ako sa akin. Ako nag-start within 2 years, na-realize ko kung gaano ka-importante yung i-prioritize mo naman yung sarili mo.
Oo.
Parang ako naman muna this time.
Yeah.
So something I realize is traveling, so going to destinations, ganyan. Kasi dati, nung natatandaan ko pa, nung grade 1 pa lang kami, I always draw tourist destinations sa Philippines. Nagdo-drawing ako Chocolate Hills, mga Mount Mayon,
Hindi ko
ganyan.
ako mag-drawing. Dati drawing.
Yeah. Uy, ate! Ate mo!
Joke lang. Sa likod ng notebook.
Yan. So, nagdo-drawing ako kasi mahilig talaga ako mag-drawing. Bago ako maging graphic designer, ang pinaka-training ground ko talaga sa creatives ay pag-drawing.
Kala ko manira ng tao. Eh.
Oo nga, mali.
Well, isa na yon. So, focus lang tayo dito ngayon. Yes.
Kunyari, ano ka muna?
Very demure, fresh lang din. Ganyan. So, yun. So, nakapag-travel na tayo around the Philippines.
Wow.
So, na tayo ng Cebu. Oh my God, ang ganda ng Pilipinas, guys. So, bago pa tayo sakupin ng ibang bansa, mas magandang puntahan nyo muna ang Pilipinas bago kayo pumunta sa ibang bansa. Kasi lilipat rin naman tayo eventually kapag nasakap na tayo ng mga Chino. Hindi, ba't may
Ano
ganun?
mo muna, masakop na Chino o bumaha sa buong Pilipinas?
Hirap sagutin na. Talaga very political.
Very political tayo. At hindi tayo ganun sa basta freelancing. Kasi nga,
Basta freelancing! Napupunta na sa iba't iba yung topic natin.
Wala,
Di ba?
oo.
Parang gano'n kaya katagal to.
talking points na
Oo.
Tsaka after 2 years, hindi na yung comprehension
Di ba?
mo.
Number 1 point pa lang ako kung saan na napunta yung topic natin eh,
Sabi mo
no?
kanina, back end.
20 minutes.
Namin, no?
Oo.
Balik ka muna.
So, ayun na nga, nagbabalik na nga tayo. So, yun, nakapag-international trip na rin ako kami. Yan,
hindi siya
together.
hindi siya na-refuse sa immigration.
Yeah, so I'm so happy na nakapag-travel na tayo internationally. So, we're looking forward next year na makapag-travel pa sa Southeast Asia muna. So, unti-untiin natin.
Correct.
Ganyan. So, siguro parang ako exploring the world at the same time working remotely. So, while enjoying traveling, nakakapag-work tayo pa rin. So, kumikita pa rin tayo ng pera while traveling. Diba? While spending, nag-earn pa din. Ganon.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
I think yun din yung perks ng pagiging freelancer.
Yes.
And aside from that, Siguro one personal update din sa akin is good news, nakapagpatayo na po tayo ng bahay.
Ako, iba pa lang napatayo ko eh.
Ay, hindi! Ano yung napatayo?
Ha?
Ano yung papatayo mo?
Alam niyo na yun.
Yeah.
Nakapagpatayo din ako ng bahay.
Ay!
Pero mamaya ko na i-share.
So, sige, ikaw yung susunod. So,
Sige.
nakapagpatayo na po ako ng bahay. So, yun yung parang, I want to build a house then for the family. Kasi nga, squatter
Ano ba
kami.
yan, tree house?
Oo, tree house. Actually, ano to bahay ng aso lang. Ganun na kaliit. So, kakasya kami doon. Hindi, pero yun, we're dreaming kasi na magkaroon talaga ng sariling amin. So, before kasi squatter kami, so tabi lang kami ng ilog, wala nagmamay-ari kasi nirecrap lang namin yun. So, wag niyo pong gagayahin yun, no?
Right lang meron sa titulo.
pero yun lang yung yun yung buhay namin eh. I mean, doon ako nabuhay. So, ayun, parang we're dreaming kasi nakakatakot sa bahay namin every time na babaha. So, talagang humahampas yung alon ng ilog sa bahay namin. So, medyo scary siya. Ngayon, at least, medyo safe na kami. Okay naman na yung ano namin. So, yun, tinatayo na siya currently. And we're looking forward na this year makalipat na kami sa bagong bahay. So, ikaw naman, AJ, i-share mo naman yung pag-ano mo ng bagong bahay.
Sige. Siguro bago tayo magpunta dun sa bahay, I mean, sobrang tagal ng 2 taon, no? Na
Ang dami nangyari,
Ang dami
no?
nangyari. So that was way back 2023, I think.
Wait lang, imat ko yan.
Charot.
Parang ganun.
Yeah, but anyways, so one big accomplishment that I was able to accomplish is, I was able to graduate in college, which is one big
Yes.
milestone. And girl, with flying colors while working
Yeah.
full-time here in freelancing. Just kidding. So yeah, nakakuha na tayo ng degree. At the same time, you're also teaching on a part-time position. I'm a part-time faculty member ng isang private university sa lugar namin. So, bakit ko sinabing lugar namin? Kasi successfully nakalipat na rin kami ng aming panibagong bahay. So, nakabili rin po ko ng bahay through Pag-ibig Financing. Baka naman Pag-ibig o yun.
May sponsor pala yung
Pero wala pa rin akong Pag-ibig. Oh, just kidding. So, ayun, nakalipat kami ng bahay and sobrang saya ko kasi isa rin yun sa mga, kung dream mo dati makapunta sa ibang lugar, drawing mo siya. Ako naman ever since, nangarap ako na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Kasi simula nung bata ako, siguro mga 20 bahay na ata yung nalipatan namin. Kasi pabalik-balik kami, nag-rent lang kasi kami. So, ang mahirap yun para sa akin kasi parang everyday is, survival mode. Mapapaalis ba kami dito? Ano yung kakainin namin? That's something na isa yun sa mga fear ko, I would say, nung bata ko. At up until nung mag-high school ako. And kaya ginalingan natin sa buhay, di ba? Yan.
Dapat galingan.
Dapat galingan ng kahit sino. So, I finished college successfully and then I started teaching. At the same time, I was able to build, a VA agency along with my friends, right? At the VA agency, I've dreamed VA agency ng mga aspiring VA. And this is the Next Level Assist. You can search us on Facebook and
Ay,
Instagram.
gagawing sponsor ang sariling company.
Diba?
Yes.
You can also visit our website at nextlevelassistph.com. So we have our website. And I'm really happy na nagawa natin yun after 2 years, no? And then, ngayon, masaya tayong nabubuhay, patuloy na ginagawa yung mission natin, which is to become a edu-creator, right?
Yeah.
I'm still publishing content on TikTok and in Facebook, short form and long form. And I'm trying to vent out in YouTube now. And then I also have a growing community right now. I have 5,000 plus members in my community. And the last but not the least, which is a big accomplishment for me, is I just started I haven't, publicize any information regarding about this because I think it is not yet the right time, but I'm proud that I started. So I started my fitness journey 2 months ago, and that's something that I'm really proud of because that's something that is my problem years ago because I don't have the discipline. So I would not say that the numbers that behind this story because I think this is not yet the right time, but I'm happy that it is manifesting in my body,
Yes.
And I'm so happy na unti-unti kong nababalikan yung mga dapat kong balikan, no? Na nagagawa ka rin yung mga bagay kong dapat gawin. And happily living my life, traveling around the country. And I was able to travel 4 countries na. And the last country that I visited I was just alone. And I'm happy. Because I found solitude on that.
Okay.
That's true.
So, ano yung na-realize mo naman sa pagta-travel mo dito recently dun sa Kota Kinabalu?
I mean, I have a lot of realization, but I think ultimately is, you know, my value as a person. Because sometimes we tend to find the real value of our identity and of course our personality. Because sometimes we feel like we're very used to it, right? Ganito lang ako, ganyan lang ako. Pero nung nandun ako sa Kota Kinabalu, it is something that I reflected na sobrang genuine ko pala. Na I've got nothing to lose if people were gonna cut me out. Sila ang may ikatatalo kapag hindi ako nila ako naging kaibigan. Because I'm a gem. Diba? I'm a precious gem. Ganon. Ano yun? Sugar jam? Chocolate jam.
Siya na si Jem, hindi na siya si AJ.
Shout out jam.
Okay, so ikaw naman, Jace, ano naman ang iyong personal updates after 2 years nating nag-deactivate?
Parang nawala nila.
So, ano nang update sa'yo?
Well, for the past 2 years, parang kung saan ako literal napunta.
Lugar na.
Wala po na parang hindi ko na rin alam kung ano ilalagay ko sa address ko. But I think for me, it's more of an internal journey. Ay! Gusto nyo ba yun? It's just finding the better relationships for me, like financially, also making sure that I am connecting with my family well, ganyan. So those are things that I'm still going through currently. Pero siguro for me, the proudest moments that I have firstly was, syempre, nakakapag-travel tayo internationally, as you guys said. Paulit-ulit yung
Achievements sa lahat kasi magkakasama kami.
Twice, right?
Paulit-ulit yung maririnig sa amin yun dahil that's something that we are very proud
Yeah.
And
of.
we're treasuring it, right?
And every time that we go out of the country, sinabi rin to ni Ambo kanina, parang kumbaga, we're just imagining na parang lahat to parang dinodrawing, pinipaste lang natin sa isang bond paper dati, pero we're having it personally na right now, or we're witnessing it like in front of our very eyes. Naiiyak ako, bakit ganun?
Emotion
and also,
Ako wala na akong emosyon, madaling araw na. Anong oras na ba? Ayan, sinushoot namin ito ng 4:51 a.m.
grabe, ginampanan na pagiging VA na. True. And also, for me, it's also just concentrating sa company na binubuo namin.
Yes.
Next Level Assist is our baby. So, you know, just making sure that everything's going well with the company. And also making sure na we're supporting each other. Because ima-market ko ang NLA dito na parang
Yes, we are sponsored
Diba?
by Next Level Assist.
when we were forming NLA, it's also our promise that it will be an agency that is for all Filipinos. May that be for aspiring virtual assistants or for those who are experienced. And I'm very proud to say naman na nagagampanan natin yun.
Indeed.
Right.
Yes.
So that's really a win for all of us.
Yes.
So yeah, napakarami nating wins together.
Yes.
No, na parang na-win.
Oo nga no, parang personal and professional, parang we're together. We're forever.
And soon sa mga susunod na episode, for sure, we will share more, juicy topics, di ba?
Yes.
Yung talagang kikiliti ng dapat makiliti sa inyo. Mga gano'n.
Sinong kikiliti?
Pok. Ano masabi ako?
Kung ano-ano na naman yung pumunta ng topic na to, te.
Well, anyway, it's really nice to catch up with you guys again.
Pero wait lang, may tanong pa ako.
Taparap up na ako.
Hindi, may tanong pa ako. Siyempre, aside from our personal stuff, yung mga updates natin. So, kamusta naman yung career natin individually? So, we also shared kung ano yung mga successes natin together and also yung personal things natin. So, in terms of career naman, kamusta naman yung growth natin?
I think yan yung aabangan nila sa next episode.
Yeah.
That's the hook!
May episode 2 pa.
Oo.
Right?
That's the...
Challenge dito ay kung kailan natin masushoot ang
Yes!
So, abangan nyo yan.
After 2 years. Just hindi. We'll try our best, Magsusulat na kami ng kontrata na kailangan magkaroon kami at least isang episode, isang buwan, no? Basta abangan nyo kung kailan upload yung episode 2. Well, it was really nice to connect with you guys again and again.
Pas-pas na the message.
I'm with you also.
I need you also. Bye, everyone. So, hindi. Ayun lang. We're very thankful na if nandyan pa rin kayo, just, paramdam kayo sa comment section, no? Ayan, i-subscribe niyo yung YouTube channel. No, oo. Kung may comment section, magparamdam kayo. Sayang naman yung mga daliri nyo. Baka bawiin niyo. Charit.
Mag-comment kayo kung naiintindihan nyo pa yung podcast.
Oo, kasi parang saan na nagpupunta.
Storyline to.
O talagang wala na kami pinararating.
Parang wala ka pupuntahan to,
Well, anyway, again, my name is AJ.
My name is Sambo.
And I am Jace.
And this is...
Basta Freelancing!